So now your soul is the forever thing. That's the key. When you're doing the work, you're dealing with the body in the astral world. Get Astral Dynamics by Robert Bruce, Astro Travel by Gavin and Yvonne Frost, Practical Guide to Astral Traveling by Phil Denning, I think, or Philip Denning, and or anything Astral Traveling for Beginners, How to Astral Travel. Go on Amazon. See yourself as a researcher, not as somebody who's just looking at YouTube's waiting for somebody to tell you something. See yourself as somebody who could get it yourself. Have confidence in the book. You say that, I think I could fuck with that, and go fuck with it. Fuck with anything that says for dummies, for beginners, practical guide. Go there. You got to find your own niche. You got to believe in yourself and know you're doing it right. There's no wrong way to do it. Anything you put in, you get out. That's called cause and effect. Another law and principle of Tahuti. It's got to happen. If you create a cause, whatever it is, there will be effect. If you don't like the effect, then go harder on the cause. But it's your trial and error game. It's not do what Panic did. It's do what you need to do. I promise you that's the way. Your soul is what's forever. So your soul lives on. Now your ancestors, when you die, and you're now that you got the setup, if this guy's panicked and he dies, I can choose to just go on to the quantum world, which I probably would do. I'm done with it. I gave, you see how long my lectures are? You see how long I've been doing it? If y'all think you ain't got the best of what I got, fuck y'all. I left it. I turned this motherfucker out. There's no reason to come back. And it's not up to anybody but me. Patty, how do you die and not come back? Well, I had to do an 18-hour on how to die and not come back. But in the end, as I always said and will say, this is your choice. How do you die and not come back? Who do you think is tricking you then? Who do you think is telling you you have to come back then? I thought you was God. I thought you was running it. You haven't. What you're really saying is, I don't know how to make. I haven't made my mind up. I haven't done anything that makes me know I'm in control. That's your subliminal tell, niggas. Each time you tell Panic, how do you die and not come back? How do you feel you don't know that? That's your tell, and it tells me you don't know shit and you haven't done shit and you hurt a bunch of the community. And that doesn't mean you're a bad person. It doesn't mean you're a low person. It just tells me what work is cut out for me. But I'm telling you, you got to get better than that. You got to be more convinced. You got to at least know that when you die, it's your choice. You don't even know it's your choice not to come back. You're coming back because you're not getting what you needed and came here for in the first place. What you don't realize is you also made the choice to come here.